What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today is Monday, October 3rd, and we're going to be doing a follow-up video on Critters Cult. Now, this is our third video talking about Critters Cult, but there's a reason for that, and that's because Critters Cult is reaching headlines all across the Solana NFT blockchain. Now, I cannot wait to share with you some updates with Critters Cult and why you should definitely keep your radar in terms of this NFT collection. And possibly we are still early on, even though the floor price is at 21.3 Solana. Now guys, watch this video throughout its entirety. Do not miss a single thing. It's going to be very helpful for you to be educated and informed to understand if this collection is the right investment for you to have in your portfolio. So with that said, be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful to any of the scammers down in the comments below. I'll never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys, let's get right into it. So right now there's around 795 of these NFTs on the market floor as of right now, with a unique amount of owners of these NFTs between the 5.5 collection. There are 2,600 unique owners. So keep that in mind. That's not actually too bad. That's pretty healthy in my opinion. As you can see, we have so many different traits, so many different cute, amazing critters, but we're not going to dive deep into the traits because we want to understand where this collection can go. So if we go over to Soul Sniper, which is a great trading tool to understand where the floor price is, the listing count, and relative strength index. Now, we're going to start with the floor price. In this chart, as you see here, we're actually seeing a really nice healthy chart. Now, just over the past couple days, we've actually seen Critters Cult go into an uptrend in this trending cycle to the upside. Now, what's great about this is that it's showing nice pullbacks, nice retracements. We saw one right here, and one right here. But no matter what, we are forming higher lows from here, here, and here. So that's really amazing. And we're well above the support level around 16 Solana, which is the floor price which we were hovering at for quite some time. But now we've totally broken beyond that, and we've seen some major green candles, which are the buying volumes. Now we're going to dive deep into what that is all about. And as you can see here, the relative strength index is showing that there's been a lot of buying pressure to the upside, but we're seeing a slight decrease just as of right now at the time of the recording. But we must break past the 64 resistance level. We have not yet seen that. And in terms of listing count, we even hovered almost a little bit below 650 just for a slight second, but we went up in terms of listing count again, well above 700. Can that change? I think it absolutely could. But I think the price action could actually bring this floor price all the way up to 34 to 35 Solana, because using the Fibonacci retracement, we can see that we're well above the 50% level. So since we're above even almost close to the 70% level, I only see upside to the 34 to 35 Solana level. That's just my own opinion, but just don't take it from me. Look at Hello Moon, which is a great way of seeing where smart money is coming in. And right now, it's saying that smart money inflow is showing up for Critters Cult. And also the top social buying is for Critters Cult. And for the top movers, where do you think that goes? Critters Cult. And still to this day, we're not seeing smart money outflow of this collection, which to me says that there are diamond hands within this collection, or there are new people stepping into this collection as well. Now moving on, when we go to NFT Inspect, which is showing you how many people on Twitter are changing their profile pictures to their specific or favorite NFT. And if you notice on the top rankings for Solana, guess where Critter Cult is at? It's not number 21. This is both on the Ethereum and Solana blockchain in terms of ranking. 21 out of all the NFT collections, but within Solana, not too far from the top dogs. We know that Primates has been around for quite some time. Solana Monkey Business is an OG. DeGods we know is one of the hyper NFT collections with well beyond floor prices that we've ever seen on the Solana blockchain. Sets on Correct, which is like a cult within itself, but also amazing dedicated followers. And then OK Bears with almost like 2 million in terms of Solana trading volume, which is huge. So we're seeing that Critters Cult is actually growing substantially, and as you can see here, grown 17%, almost the highest out of this whole entire Solana ecosystem. So that's really huge in my opinion. Now last week, Solana Daily said that Critters Cult had one of the highest trading volumes in the 7-day moving average, which is really amazing. Now I'm going to show you different slates within DJ News and what they've said about Critters Cult and what's been building around the news on Critters Cult. Now DJ Hole said he wants more Critters Cult, demands that you floor them, meaning that he will want to buy your bags if you sell them low. This guy has over 21,000 followers and has even changed his PFP to be a Critters Cult. Next up, we also have breaking news the co-founder of Solana, also switched his PFP to a Critters Cult. And also the other co-founder of Solana, aka Raj Gokal, also switched his PFP to Critters Cult. Again, this is building a lot of news because again, these are the people that help create the Solana blockchain. To see this type of action, to see them changing their PFPs, I'm getting all the Moonbird feels, which we know Moonbirds shot up to the moon and had reached record levels in terms of floor price within the Ethereum world. This is going to be the next one for the Solana world. And then also we have Magic Eden CD, aka Chart Fu Monkey, is repping his new PFP as well with a Critters Cult. That is remaining bullish. If we don't know, he has around 33,000 followers. And next up, we also have Jesse Solana, who said that he would eat his own crap if Solana's floor price breaks above 30. So guys, if you see the floor price break above 30, follow Jesse Solana just to see what's going to happen right after that. So just keep that in mind. I think that's really funny. Also, we have Spoon Kiss. Now, Spoon One Kiss has actually joined the cult, but not only that, he repped his PFP in the cult and, check this out, bought a whole bunch of these critter cults at the floor price around 17 Solana and higher. He even bought one for 75 Solana. So that means that that probably is a really rare NFT within itself. It doesn't just stop there. We've seen other people within this ecosystem accumulating Critters Cult way above the floor price. Look at this. We have one that's around 115 Solana in terms of the purchasing buying power. We have one at 26, 17, 29. List keeps going on and on. Next up, we also need to keep in mind of this. Now, NN842 said this. Don't look now, but Soul Big Brain is swiping Critters Cult. 165 Solana's worth in the last hour. Now that was posted 2 days ago on October 1st. Today is October 3rd, and he has 216,000 followers. Now what else is there? Well, Axel Verse said this to remind everybody. We have the two co-founders of Solana who are also repping their Critters Cult PFPs. We also had Soul Big Brain buy around 25 of these NFTs. Now it's only a matter of time, and we are very undervalued right now. So if you're seeing the floor price of around 20 or 17, anywhere between that, maybe we're actually really early on in this collection. Who knows? This is what these people are saying. And this person said this, Zuzu said Soul Big Brain and the co-founders of Solana and a bunch of one-on-one collectors are in love with the Critters Cult. And it's not surprising. The beauty and the complexity of the collection is next level. I absolutely agree. And also we have people within the DGods community, say for instance, Rob Cheese _ NFT bought 16 of these for his portfolio. And then we also have another DGod who accumulated 12 of these to rep in his portfolio. And also we have this person who's bought a ton of these NFTs and says, still haven't sold a single critter. Might even grab 2 more to fill in that space. Following back all critters. Where you at? And so also this person, Alternate Crypto, said, just realized I haven't posted my own Critters Cult collection yet. Those few days after mint were just crazy. Can't keep up with all the tweets. So many people joining the cult, discovering how amazing the artist is, RGB, is, and how cool our community can be for all newcomers. So if you haven't accumulated these NFTs, maybe it's not too late. Maybe this is your time. And also we have Soulplug who said, finally acquired some lovely Critters Cult. The cult is absolutely magnificent. Cannot wait to see what RGB, the artist, has in store for us. I'll be here for it all. So as you can see, he has his NFT stored in his portfolio. And I find this one really cute, which is the people in the Ethereum world. We know CryptoPunks is really unique for having the highest sale volume on Ethereum, like in the millions, even hundreds of thousands. He just picked up his Critters Cult to match his cat, which I thought was really cool. But not only that, it's also for dog lovers as well. Lea Motero also bought this Critters to match his little pit bull dog. So that's really cool to see, and I love that. And also we have this person who bought one of his NFTs to match the old man from Squid Games, if you haven't seen that already. Great show in my opinion. So as you can see, people from all across the world have been changing their PFPs. Major players within the Solana ecosystem. Remember, these are influencers, these are whales, these are people, builders building on the Solana blockchain. And also just normal average people just changing their PFPs. But these people are changing them right now. As you can see, these are major dogs that you just can't ignore who is getting involved with this collection. And then also what I find really interesting is that in this post, this is from NFT Doctor 33, he said that in the DGods chat, in the alpha chat, that they were actually talking about critters. So that's really good to see that the DGods community is being really familiar with this collection and that they're accumulating as we speak, at least maybe some of them, right? But just keep in mind, this isn't the only collection that you should focus on, not just Critters Cult, but also focus on this one, which is called the Fall of the Eradicator. Now, this was on the market floor for around 3 Solana to 5 Solana. We brought that up in our previous videos when we bought it in around 5 Solana. But guess where that collection is as of right now? It is currently at 8 Solana, so it's actually gone up in price. And even though that, the listing account actually increased. So it's really interesting that the amount of NFTs listed went up, but also the price went up. Usually it's the opposite. Usually the amount of NFTs go down, the price goes up, or the amount of NFTs go up, the price goes down. You see how that kind of works? So what's really interesting is that the reason people are buying these is because if you buy one of these NFTs, then you're actually going to be qualified to join the Sol Sunset DAO or the Sol Sunset roles, which allow you to have specific access within the Discord. But also, if you own the Fall of the Eradicator or the Sol Sunset NFTs or the Critters Cult, you will be able to earn pixel tokens, which is something new. Now, the tokens are not tokens, they're actually NFTs. So they're not going to be liquidity tokens. You can't withdraw them for money, but they may be able to help you maybe mint another collection down the road. So it's a great way to earn passive pixel tokens. So what did I do? I decided to accumulate one more of these NFTs, and I bought this little puppy right here for around 16.6 Solana. And if you're in our Patreon page, you would have gotten a little bit of a heads up of those buy orders. And maybe it's a little bit too late now, but I decided to accumulate. And so I have the Fall of the Eradicator, I have these 2 NFTs, and I don't plan on selling anytime soon because I expect these NFTs to go to the moon. And it may flip some NFT collections that we felt bullish on that are also blue chips, but I just feel like the culture, the fan base, the community around here is absolutely amazing. And as I said before, you will be able to earn pixel tokens. And then this person said it right out. RA89 Capital said, didn't even know this, but apparently our Critter NFTs will accrue the pixel tokens, which is a nice bonus. Because before, we weren't sure if these Critter Cult NFTs were allowing us to earn these pixel tokens. Well, now it's confirmed. And I've actually been able to stake my NFTs, all 3 of them, for pixels. And again, they're NFTs, they look like little pixels, but that is a separate video within itself. So as a conclusion, how do I feel about Critters Cult? Guys, I think we're absolutely still early on this collection. Do not sleep on this. This is my 3rd video on this, and I try to warn people about these collections, especially my Patreon members, way before I publish videos. And so just keep this in mind. With everything that you just heard, has it been informative? Has it been educational? Does it allow you to understand where you should be positioned at with this? Because again, maybe this is too high of an entry point. Maybe you shouldn't be investing in this. This video is just for entertainment purposes. It's just my own opinion. It's not financial advice. But just look into this video and look to my other videos about Critters Cult and let that be a deciding factor for you. And I hope that this has been helpful. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page. I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching Cryptolution. Join our Patreon page for all our private alpha calls, investment strategies, and one-on-one consultations in the link below. Limited spaces are available, so be sure to reserve your spot today. Invest safely, and we'll see you on the next episode of Cryptolution.